As a provincial mentor, one of the most common questions I'm asked by our newer brethren is concerning the learning of ritual. Is there a quick and easy way to learn it? Well, the simple answer is no. The only way to learn ritual is by putting in time and effort. However, if you understand the process behind the learning of ritual, it can certainly help. In life, there are various ways of learning new skills, including meaningful learning, associative learning, active learning, or, in the case of ritual, rote learning. Rote learning is a memorization technique based on repetition. This is not new to us, as it is used in our schools to teach various subjects such as phonics in reading, the periodic table in chemistry, and multiplication tables in mathematics. So, to put it simply, you need to repeatedly read the ritual until it sticks in your memory. However, there are a few points which can help us with this process. Give yourself enough time. It is never too early to start learning a piece of ritual. People who struggle to perform well in lodge are often the ones with a misguided overconfidence of how quickly they can learn the lines. Read the whole piece first, so that you can understand the general theme of what is being said. All of the words are in the book, so learn them correctly in the first place, as many people add or use different words. This can be very important, as the meaning of a piece can be changed significantly if substituted words are included. If you learn the ritual correctly in the first place, you will minimise these mistakes. Also, be sure that you learn from the correct ritual version used by your lodge. There are many different versions of our ritual, and certain parts can differ considerably. Use word association or a visualisation method if you find it difficult to remember a particular word. Often these are common words that we already know, but for some reason have difficulty remembering in that specific piece of text. For example, if you are learning the first degree charge and keep forgetting the word indissoluble, your mental picture might be a tablet in water that will not dissolve. It is indissoluble. And this could be enough to jog your memory, and the more you practice, the less that you will need that specific word association. Separate the ritual into different sections and be fully proficient in one section before starting the next. Many people are too keen to get through a piece, so they move on before they are proficient in the former. And these are often the people who have not given themselves enough time. When you think you are proficient in the whole piece, try starting at different paragraphs. Rote learning is sometimes described as parrot fashion, and people can get thrown off track very easily. Knowing that you can start at any point proves that you know the ritual very well. However, when you practice in this way, always end the session by doing the whole piece from start to finish. Practice out loud. It is very different to go through a piece in your head compared to speaking it out loud. You will soon find areas that you need to practice your pronunciation, or where perhaps you are talking too fast. So if you can, record yourself and listen back to see how it sounds. Many mobile phones have sound recording applications available for them. Most importantly, when the going gets tough, put things into perspective. Masonry is a hobby that we are supposed to enjoy. If you are struggling to learn a piece, it is often good just not to look at the book for a few days and then to try again. So, try and utilise some of these points the next time you have a piece of ritual to learn. The effort is worth it, as it will result in your performance becoming a very enjoyable experience, both for yourself and for your audience.